Hello everyone, welcome to GB Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification for future ongoing, more interesting videos, exciting content. Right, we are continuing on 30-day Java programming challenge. We almost reached 30 days, day 28. Today is day 28. What is the programming challenge? Right, remove duplicates and sort elements in an array. Right. Suppose we have an array, right? Suppose we have an array like this. Okay. Now we have to remove the duplicates, right? And then sort the elements, right? Here we have to do what? 2, 3 is 3 times is there, then 4. Then 5 is 2 times is there, 6, 7. Right, first we have to sort and then we have to remove it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to sort like this. We have to remove the duplicate and sort it. Right, simple way is, right, what is the simple way? We can simply keep it in the tree set. Right, iterate and keep it in the tree set. It will be done. Our job is done. Right, but interview sometimes they may not ask. Right, in interview sometimes they will not accept this. They will ask without using that. Right, well, 2 things we can do it. We can do sorting. Right, in previous right, if you haven't watched it, please watch my previous class, bubble sort. Right, bubble sort 1. Right, day 26 bubble sort. Right, first we can sort it, then we can remove the duplicates of it. Right, for now what I will do is, right, if the interviewer ask, right, they want to do without using any functions, right, just you can do first bubble sort and then duplicate. I will tell you now how to remove the duplicates from the sorted array. Right, but here I am not going to tell you bubble sort, but just I want to sort by using, I will use the class arrays.sort. I will use arrays.sort and then we will send this, I will send this number array, right, this array, it will be sort. Right, if interviewer don't accept this, you can write the bubble sort to first sort the array. Right, sort the array. Then once it is sorted, then what we have to do, we have to remove the duplicates. How to remove the duplicates? Right, now what we can do here, see, once it is sorted, we can compare side by side elements. Right, if both are not equal, right, if both are not equal, we can add to the integer array, otherwise we can ignore it. Suppose first I will compare these two. Is these two are equal? No. Then I add this to array. Then I will compare these two. Right, these two are duplicate. Right, these two are duplicate. Now ignore it. Now compare again these two, 3 and 4. Right, 3 is not duplicate, add it. I will compare 4 and 5. Now both are not duplicate, add 4 to the array. Now again compare these two are duplicate, ignore it. Now again I will compare these two, 5 and 6 not duplicate, add to the array. Again I will compare 6 and 7, I will add to the array. And then last one we have to add separately. That is anyway not duplicate. Right, if the interviewer accept this one, that is fine. If they did not accept, we can write the bubble sort. Right, now coming to our program. Right, I will create a day 28. If anyone requests this Git repository, please create one account, free account, GitHub account. You can use GitHub or, right, currently I am maintaining the GitHub, so just create the GitHub account and provide me your account ID, so that I will provide access to your account ID for this repository. Right, day 28 challenge. Okay, day 28 challenge finish. Right then, main program, I will take one array. I will take one array, right? Any array we can take it. Okay, it has some duplicates. Okay, now first thing is I will sort by using arrays dot sort. Arrays dot sort pass the number array. Right. If interviewer does not ask, you write the bubble sort code. Right. You can watch my day 26 bubble sort code. Okay. Now once it is sorted, all will be sorted. Now what we have to do? We have to compare side by side numbers. Right. For int I equal to 0 to I less than number dot length, we want to compare until -1, then I plus plus. Right. Now if we have to compare side by side numbers, right? If number of I not equal to number of I plus 1, right? I plus 1, then what we have to do here, I will take one more integer variable index, right, 0. What I will do, I will add to number of same array, I will add index, right, plus plus, and then add the number of I, right? If it is not duplicate, add to the array. Okay, like this. Then right, once for loop completed, it will add all the unique numbers, it will remove duplicates. Then finally one more last number will be pending, that we have to add, right? Index plus plus equal to, what is the last one? Last one is number dot length -1. This is the last one. Right. Now just I will print. Now once it is done, now just I will print by using, you can use for each loop, right? Just I am using arrays dot, I can use the arrays dot toString method to print the array. Okay, now let me execute it. Now what happened? See, there is one more thing we have to do. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right, it got, but still there are some pending elements are there, right? Here what we have done, we have added to same array. Now we have to create the new array, actually arrays dot copy. There is a copy of array of copy of, we can take the number array, right, index until the index, right, until the how many, what is the index we got. Otherwise what will happen, last remaining numbers will come as a duplicate, right? Copy of this, we can create the new array, arrays dot copy of. Then just now execute it. Right, now it will come 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only unique numbers, right? We are just removing the, right, additional array. That's it. Up to index 1, we have started index 0 to, right, until this index, right? Up to then we have to copy this number array. Already we have array. We have to create only, what it will do, it will create the new array based on this array, existing array, until index, right? It will create the new array and then just if we see that 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? This is the right. This way we can achieve, we can remove the duplicates right from the array and sort it, right? If we have different approaches, please solve it and post in the comment section so that everyone will get idea, right? I will also get idea what are the different ways we can achieve this program in different ways, right? Whoever participated, right, thanks for them. If you are completed the program, please paste your program in the comment section. Whoever did not get a chance, once you get the right sometime, just go through it and solve it, right? Please share to your friends and like the video. Thanks for watching.